that folks may not know how to do is bulk edit the columns that are displaying in their reports. So I wanted to show folks a few tricks that I often use to edit the columns that are displaying and where they display. So to edit the columns on your report, you go from that report to this customize report option in the top right. And then once you're in there, you can choose which columns you want to add into the report available option. And you can also move the options up and down within the list, and it doesn't need to be done one by one. So if you look here, I've highlighted several different fields that I want in my report. And if I click one of them and then click Control on my keyboard, I can add more to what I've selected. I can also click Shift and click one, click Shift, and then all the way down and select all of them. And now that they're all highlighted, I can move all of them up or down at the same time. And similarly, I can also select multiple fields in the available side, and I can either do the same thing. I can press Shift and then click the bottom one I want, and that'll select all of the fields, or I can just hand pick a few different fields and use Control to kind of accumulate which fields I'm using. And then in one click, I can pull them all over to the report and move them up and down. So this is just another helpful tip for editing your report columns pretty quickly and efficiently without having to individually move each field up or down. The other thing that's potentially not known by everyone is that you can also drag. So I can just use my mouse to pick up basically and drag around the different columns. You don't necessarily need to use these up and down icons on the page.